Mounting the Lokklatch DELUXE gate latch is quick and easy on most gates. All the self-drilling mounting screws are supplied with the latch. This latch is available in short or long latch bolt lengths to fit different sized gates and gate gap requirements. Larger wood or vinyl gates often require longer latch bolts to fit wider gaps. The latch's mounting bracket can be rotated to suit left or right-handed opening gates. It also serves as a convenient fitting jig and speeds up installation by allowing fast and accurate hole marking on the fence post. Note how the convenient template allows quick marking of the holes to be drilled for the connecting rod. The bracket is used on both sides of the post for quick and easy marking and alignment. This innovative approach helps provide fast, convenient, and accurate installation. With all holes marked, you can now drill pilot holes from both sides of the post to aid the drilling of the larger holes. The pilot holes also help to ensure the finished hole through the post remains level. Next, take one of the connecting rods and position it to the depth of the post for accurate marking. Cut the rod cleanly and squarely and remove any rough edges. Then, recheck to see that the cut piece is the exact depth of the post. Take the push button and its housing and determine which way your gate will be opening. Ensure the padlock symbol on the button is always facing up. Click the push button firmly into the housing, listening for the engagement clicks. Now, snap fit the rod into the assembly. The lugs will click into place. Take the button assembly and locate it onto the rear of the post by feeding the rod through the drilled hole. Fix the mounting bracket to the latch body using 4 small screws. Note the rod socket the connecting rod fits into. Depress the push button to extend the rod out into the latch body. Fix 2 more screws to hold in place. Now it's time to check everything works correctly. Insert a key into the lock and see that the latch locks and unlocks correctly. Do the same for the push button side, noting how the latch locks and unlocks. If the latch doesn't lock or operate correctly, remove the screws and double check the rod fits neatly and is the correct length. If not, alter or replace the rod and reinstall the latch to check function again. Insert 2 more screws to secure the main latch into place. The final step is to align the striker bolt with the latch tongue. Note the vertical adjustment in the striker bolt housing. Ensure it aligns in the centre of the tongue groove and then secure the remaining screws to ensure smooth latch engagement. Your Lokklatch DELUXE gate latch is now ready for use.